Then we go to the next one, Mr. Guliev, another Vice President of the Parliamentary Assembly. Please, Mr. Guliev.
Thank you very much, dear Ambassador. First of all, let me greet all of you from Baku. It is really nice to see so many familiar faces, old and new friends. The topic that we are discussing is, of course, very important. This is why I'd like to briefly share my views on the dialogue and how can it be improved. This is a dialogue which is really important and needed for the Assembly, not only for Assembly, for all the OEC families, is very crucial, of course. First of all, I do believe that we should effectively use the available mechanisms and tools of the OEC institutions for fruitful discussions and find a common approach for many issues throughout the dialogue. The Parliamentary Assembly employs such instruments like the ad hoc committees, of course, besides the statutory meetings, which about counterterrorism, migration, as well as we have created, as you know, the informal secret support group, which play effective role for discussions of important issues. It is important also to invite the decision maker and as well as the higher level officials for the discussions that the Parliamentary Assembly is planning. Dear friends, talking about the effective way of the dialogue and having the, let's say, discussions among the participating states, I would like to suggest to consider the possibility of establishing the platforms, separate platforms based on different regions. As you know that each region has its own problem, and it is really necessary to be address all this problem based on the regional realities. Just for example, I'd like to briefly inform you that after having liberated its territories from occupation, Azerbaijan has initiated a very unique format of regional dialogue and cooperation, bringing 6 regional countries together, namely Azerbaijan, Armenia, Georgia, Russian Federation, Turkey, and Iran. It is a very promising initiative that will promote regional peace and security, and I do hope that it will also largely contribute to cooperation and the also communications and help translation in Azerbaijan. Dear Ambassador, if one qualifies to touch upon each of the Peace Minister Council, it is of high significance to raise the effect of the OECD Council meetings, which are, according to my understanding, is mainly of declarative character and with no concrete outcome in many cases due to the lack of consensus. The previous speaker, Mr. Lashish, also touched upon these issues about consensus and the role of the Ministerial Council. This is why I do hope that it would be a great idea if we could have some sort of preliminary or preparatory meetings at the level of the deputy ministers before the Ministerial Council to discuss and, if possible, to avoid the potential disagreements and controversial situations prior to the meetings. Maybe then it could raise the chance of getting consensus and, of course, having some agreed language or agreed document. And also, dear friends, I think it is also important to think about the holding summit of the heads of state that really could take a leading role, also endorse the security architecture and other related issues that have a common interest for all the member countries. Finally, dear friends, I'd like to suggest on this regarding this regard that it will be maybe a good idea also to set up a joint working group consisting of the members of the OEC Parliamentary Assembly as well as the OEC institutions in order to elaborate all the challenging issues and the possible way of their solutions in order to submit for the discussions of the Ministerial Council as well as head of the states. Taking this opportunity, I do believe that Mr. Ambassador Zanir, you are enough experienced politician as well as diplomat. You could easily coordinate this activity, this working group, and of course to get feedback from the other related institutions in order to have a common and a single voice of the OSCE. Thank you very much, dear friends.
Myself. Thank you, Mr. Guliev, for your suggestions. We have taken note.